new song? All right, I'll play a new song, and I'll play you a new song that is, the second verse isn't done. The second verse isn't good enough, and the bridge isn't good enough, so it's not done yet. But because I've had such an amazing experience here where people have opened up so instantly and deeply in playing songs that they just wrote 4 days ago and just opening up, I feel like this is my giving back to you. So here's a song that I'm not quite done with yet. On a sailboat I am, slowly floating nowhere, lost the memories of where I am and where black ocean churning, a million stars are burning, planetariums were right about the sky. Oh, once upon a day I set off on a journey, wishing on the wind to take me far from home. Now I'm on the waves and I'm taking on water, hard to see. I won't always be alone. There was a time when all the sun was high and centered on me, but it dipped behind my back and settled down. I used to square up with the land, used to size it in my hand, but it fell behind the line that meets the sky. Oh, once upon a day I set off on the journey, wishing on the wind to take me far from home. Now I'm on the waves and I'm taking on water, hard to see. I won't always be alone inside this storm, whipping in the wind, my sail is torn. In other words, the hands I'm in are not my own. Oh, 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 oh. Hard to see, I won't always be alone. On a sailboat I am, slowly floating nowhere, hoping someday I'll wash up on someone else's shore. Gravity is working against me, and gravity, oh, it wants to bring me down. I am. Oh, I never know what makes this man, with all the love that his heart can stand, dream of ways to throw it all away. Oh, gravity is working against me now. Ooh, gravity, yeah, wants to bring me down. Oh, twice as much ain't twice as good, and can't sustain like a one half could. It's wanting more, gonna send me to my knees, yeah. Twice as much ain't twice as good, and can't sustain like a one half could. No, it's wanting more, gonna send me to my knees. Oh, keep me where the light is. Just keep me where the light is, yeah. Just keep me where the light is. Lost the one on the looper, but that's all right. Keep me where the light is. No, no, no. Keep me where the light is. Oh, oh. Keep me where the light is, yeah. Oh, no. Keep you over the light, where the light, where the light. Oh, keep you where the light is. Oh, keep you where the light is. Thank you, everybody, very much for listening. Thank you. Oh, what a light is, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Thank you. Thank you.